Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about something that's on everyone's mind, making money online. But let's be real for a second. There's so much misinformation, scams, and just plain bad advice floating around. People will promise you overnight success, but in reality, making money online takes strategy and consistency. So, in this video, I'm going to break down 3 real beginner-friendly online business models that actually work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but do I need experience? Do I need a ton of money to start? The answer? No. Each of these business models is beginner-friendly, low-cost, and scalable. You can turn them into full-time income. Alright, let's get into it. 1. Selling digital planners and low-content books on Etsy. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly online business with low startup costs, selling digital planners and low-content books is a fantastic option. It's one of the easiest ways to start making money online without dealing with physical inventory, shipping, or even customer service headaches. Wait, does this mean I have to write a book? Nope, that's the best part. You don't need to be a writer to make money selling books. Instead, you'll be creating what are called low-content books. These are books that don't require much or any writing at all. Think of things like daily planners, help people stay organized with schedules, to-do lists, and goal trackers. Budget trackers, perfect for people who want to manage their finances and save money. Fitness journals, a great tool for tracking workouts, meal plans, and progress. Meal planners, helps busy people plan their grocery shopping and weekly meals. Coloring books for kids and adults, fun, engaging, and can be themed around anything. Activity books, Sudoku, crossword puzzles, word searches, brain teasers, you name it. Wedding or event planners, ideal for brides, party planners, and event organizers. Chore charts and habit trackers, great for parents and people who want to build better habits. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. You could create a 30-day workout planner where users track their exercises, meals, water intake, and progress. Or if you're a parent, you might design a fun and colorful chore chart to help kids keep up with their responsibilities. The beauty of this business is that you create these products once, and they can sell forever. Unlike physical products, there's no need to restock, and each sale is pure profit after the initial work of designing the product. How it works. 1. Create your planner or journal. You can use free design tools like Canva, Affinity Publisher, or Adobe InDesign to create a professional-looking planner or book. Many of these tools have pre-made templates, so you don't need any design experience. 2. List it on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or Gumroad. Etsy is a great place to sell digital downloads, while Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, lets you create physical versions that Amazon prints and ships for you. You can also sell on Gumroad, Shopify, or even your own website. 3. Make money on autopilot. Once your digital planner is listed, customers can buy and download it instantly. No printing, no inventory, and no shipping. You can also offer physical versions through Amazon KDP, where Amazon will print and ship your book every time someone orders. You never have to touch the product. If you create multiple planners and optimize your listings, you could be making consistent passive income in just a few months. And the best part? Once a planner is created and uploaded, it can sell over and over again without any extra work. 2. Print on demand. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and stickers without inventory. Another fantastic online business, especially for beginners, is print on demand POD. This is one of the easiest ways to start selling physical products without the hassle of managing inventory, packing, or shipping. With print on demand, you create designs, even simple text-based ones, and apply them to various products, such as t-shirts, funny quotes, hobby-based themes, and trendy designs sell really well. Hoodies, great for seasonal sales and fans of specific niches like gaming or sports. Mugs, coffee lovers, teachers, and pet owners love personalized mugs. Stickers, popular among students, businesses, and artists. Tote bags, ideal for eco-conscious shoppers and those who love cute or trendy designs. When someone orders a product, the print-on-demand company takes care of everything. They print the design, ship the item, and handle customer service. That means you don't need to touch a single product or deal with shipping logistics. How to start a print-on-demand business. 1. Sign up for a print-on-demand platform. You can create an account on free POD platforms like Printify, Printful, Redbubble, Teespring, Nowspring, Zazzle, and Society6. 2. Create simple but eye-catching designs. The best part? You don't need to be an artist to succeed. Many best-selling designs are just simple text-based quotes or basic graphics. You can create designs using Canva, Kittle, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop. Free. Upload your designs to products. Once you've created a design, upload it to your POD platform and place it on various products. A single design can be used on multiple items, such as a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, and tote bag. 4. List your products on marketplaces. You can sell your print-on-demand products on popular online stores like Etsy, Amazon Merch on Demand, your own Shopify store. 5. Make money while you sleep. Once your products are live, customers can buy them at any time. When they place an order, the POD company prints, packages, and ships the product directly to them. You earn money on every sale, without having to lift a finger. Let's say you want to create a funny dog-themed t-shirt. You could design a simple text-based shirt that says, "My dog is my therapist." Dog lovers would love a shirt like this, and since the design is simple, it's easy to create in Canva or Kittle. You can also use trending memes, hobbies, or holidays to inspire your designs. For example, trending memes. If a certain phrase or meme is going viral, turn it into a t-shirt. Why print on demand is a low-risk business. No upfront costs. No shipping hassles. The POD company prints and ships the product for you. Scalability. Passive income potential. This is truly a zero-risk business model. If a design doesn't sell, you simply try another one without losing any money. 3. Affiliate marketing, the highest earning online business model. If you're looking for an online business with unlimited earning potential, look no further than affiliate marketing. This is one of the most profitable ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is beginner-friendly, scalable, and requires little to no investment to start. Best of all, once you've set it up, it can generate passive income for years to come. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program and receive a special tracking link. You recommend a product or service using your link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission without doing any extra work. How affiliate marketing works. Let's say you love cooking and want to make money from your passion. 1. You sign up for Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate program. 2. You create a YouTube video called Best Kitchen Gadgets Under $50. 3. In the video description, you include affiliate links to each product on Amazon. 4. When viewers click your links and buy, you earn a commission. You can do this in any niche, such as tech, best budget laptops for students; gaming, top 5 must-have accessories for gamers; fashion, best affordable watches for men; home decor, top 10 must-have items for your home; health and fitness, best supplements for muscle growth. And here's the best part. You don't need a huge audience to make money. Even if your YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok account only gets 1,000 to 5,000 views per post, you can still make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. Best affiliate programs to join. Affiliate marketing works with almost any industry, and there are countless programs to choose from. Here are some of the best. Retail and e-commerce. Amazon Associates earn commissions on millions of products. Walmart and Best Buy, great for tech, home goods, and everyday items. Etsy, perfect for promoting handmade or unique items. Travel and hospitality. Airbnb and Booking.com earn commissions on travel bookings. Expedia and TripAdvisor recommend hotels, tours, and experiences. Software and online tools. Canva, earn by promoting this easy-to-use graphic design tool. Shopify, help businesses set up online stores and get paid for referrals. Notion, a popular productivity and organization tool. Finance and investing. Credit card and bank affiliate programs earn commission for new account signups. Stock and crypto trading platforms refer people to investment platforms and earn rewards. Whatever your niche, there's an affiliate program that fits your interests. Why affiliate marketing is the best passive income business. No product creation. No customer service. Scalable income. Affiliate marketing does require effort in the beginning, but once your content is live, it can continue to generate income for years to come. Which one should you start? So there you have it. 3 real online businesses at work. Which one sounds the most exciting to you? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real online business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.